Look, we got rain. We got, well, about 1/10 of an inch. How exciting. And today it's supposed to be flash floods. It's starting to sprinkle a little. High winds. Not even a breeze. But it's dripping a little. And one of the things we get to enjoy is homeless people sitting out in front of your house. So hopefully we get some rain, because 1/10 of an inch is just enough to wash some of the dirt off of the leaves, and that's it. And the heat really got to the bay laurel. It was a combination of the heat and stupidity. The leaves started turning yellow. So I'm going, oh, I'm overwatering. So I quit watering. And they kept turning yellow. Well, then it started wilting. They can wilt from overwater. But no, it wasn't being watered. It was doing its usual leaf drop. So when I started watering it again, it started coming back slowly. I've had to cut a lot of it out. Ooh, we got, 1.5 of an inch and a leaf. Well, that's something at least. I put out all of my water collection devices, and there ain't much in anything. I think there may be a gallon between all of them. Yeah, it doesn't have anything in it. And it's right under the drip line. That's where I get all my water if I get anything. And I was trying to figure out a way that I can actually save more water with not using the overhang. And this is what I came up with. Just hang a bunch of plastic, well, one chunk of plastic, and let it funnel down. And look, there's actually some water in there. Well, today it was supposed to be raining horribly, horribly hard. And it was supposed to be flash flooding. Well, the day isn't over. This is early morning. I picked my tomatillos, but there's more coming on. Oh, these are so good. Yum, yum, yum. Well, let's see if the hurricane's going to hit us. Oops. Well, guess who's going to be making lemonade? Well, Italian ice. Italian lemon ice. Yeah, I need to get out here and pick these. It's just been too hot to do anything. But I have a whole bumper crop. So back to the hurricane. We've never had much of the residue from the hurricane. And like right now, it's supposed to be raining cats and dogs and flooding everything. But like I said, the day is still young. I wish I could get more rain. An inch would be nice. Well, we got a trace in the last 24 hours. I guess our hurricane has passed us again. And a trace is just enough to moisten things. It's not even enough to drip the dirt off. Oh well. What do you expect for California? Francis, did you like the rain? Ew, the snack bar is open. It's winter rye, or winter wheat. That's easy for me to say. Bird seed, And I can't remember the name of it. Winter rye parakeet feed, the little tiny stuff. It's not split peas. Oh, I'll put the name on the bottom. But they like it. They're such aggressive eaters. They've already had figs for breakfast. They're done into this. They've already had figs for breakfast.